everybody? It's your boy Icemanjhey. I know this is a weird start to a vlog, but I just wanted to record something. So as you guys may know, a couple weeks back I got my clutch installed and everything like that. Everything was good, everything was fine. I broke it in, whatever. And yesterday I went out to Mexico night. You know what I'm saying? I went out to Mexico night and I was racing a 10 speed 5.0. And during the last run, it was so freaking weird. During the last run, I tried to shift it into fifth and it got stuck. So to make it long story short, I'm basically dropping it off at the shop right now so they can take a look at it and let me know what's going on. But basically, I'm stuck in fifth gear, driving the car in fifth gear. I can't move it. I try to do a couple things that people told me to do and it doesn't seem to work. So I'm not too sure what's going on. I've gotten a lot of feedback from Facebook pages and groups and stuff like that, and nothing seems to work. So I do apologize if this is a weird like start to a vlog and stuff, but dropping it off at the shop, and once I know what's going on, I'll keep you guys updated and see what it is. I just wanted to make a video. I was supposed to make a video of the update on the clutch and everything like that, but I've just been busy with work, so I do apologize. But hopefully it's nothing too serious. If it is the trans, then we'll see what we can do. But yeah, I just wanted to make this quick little video, and then I'm gonna make it into like a series. Basically, you guys will be seeing this clip obviously tonight, and then part of the update, and then getting it fixed if they do allow me to record that and everything like that, just to make it an interesting vlog or video, whatever. But yeah, I'm basically just driving it in fifth. I was so scared the day that it happened. This happened yesterday, which was on Wednesday, November 18th. That's when it happened. Today is Thursday, November 19th, but I'm almost at the shop, and I'll let you guys know, keep you guys updated throughout the days based on the info that I find out. And yeah, we just gotta fix the car up and bring it back, man. But I should have done the review on the clutch a while back, but I was just so busy, so I do apologize about that. But like I said, I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll let you know. I'll let you guys know what happened. All right, thank you, peace. Got my car back, and look what I ran into already. Oh shit, that's a super stack. He gave me the thumbs up. Hey. Oh shit. Wait for me. Man, Jay. And to the left of us, we got my baby. My baby. She's back. So basically what happened was, last time I picked up the camera, I believe it was me driving to the shop when the car was stuck in fifth. So basically I went to Nissan and had to get a new transmission, bought a brand new tranny, you know, so got that taken care of. It was literally probably like 4 days max. That's literally all it was, and we back on the road. So got a brand new trans from Nissan, and I had my boys over at Streetwork do the work for me. Shout out to Streetworks and everybody else that was involved. Appreciate the help, and they was able to get me back on the road in less than a week. So I'm happy with that. Trans is in the car. I came over to the gas station, Bestie 85, you know what I'm saying? If you from the DMV, you already know what's up. But straight E85 on the dot, you know what I'm saying? And then here, obviously, like I said, we got my car. I haven't washed my car in like 2 months. To basically come get some E85, wash it, and yeah, y'all see how dirty it is? And I got a special guest. Hey, what's going on, bro?
Hey.
Hey, look, check it out. Those rims might look familiar. Y'all remember those? Those were the ones that I used to have on the Z. Sold it to my boy Eric. Now he's rocking them. Check out that fitment. Know what I'm saying? Oh shit. This John looking clean. You know what I'm saying? We about to go wash the whips because he hasn't washed his car in a minute either. And I haven't washed mine, obviously. But yeah, we are here. And then I'll give you guys driving footage of the car once I'm driving and stuff like that, because I want you guys to get the experience. Crazy thing is, I was supposed to make an update video from last time for the clutch of the update on the clutch of how it's driving and everything like that, but then the whole situation happened with the car. So now I will be able to get that video out for you guys. Unfortunately, it won't be tonight because I don't want to push the car too hard. I just, you know what I'm saying, I just got this replaced. I don't want nothing to happen. And yeah, what was I gonna say? Oh, today is Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to everybody that's watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, had a good time with the family, got some good food, got to eat. But you know, your boy gotta lose some pounds for that weight reduction, man. So what's it called? Yeah, so stay tuned. I got a little bit more videos coming. I also am inside footage and everything, so we're good to go. And I'm so happy that my baby's back, man. So happy. I'm just here, and we're gonna go as time goes on, see what happens. But after we get this gas, we're gonna go over to the wash the car. Got my GoPro right here ready. So yeah, man, stay tuned. I'm so happy my baby's back. Hey yo, stay tuned. 2021, y'all not ready for what's coming, man. I'm trying to tell y'all, this car's gonna be on some other shit. Best believe that. Mark my word. Alright, so I didn't record when I was washing because I was too focused on making sure this baby was super clean. I don't know if you guys could tell the difference, but I'm pretty sure you can. I took my time with it. Remember how dirty the trunk was? Check that out. Look at that. See? I made sure, you know, made sure I cleaned it nice. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, you know what I'm saying? But look, check that out. By the way, anybody asking, this is OEM paint. This is deep blue pearl. Check out my my honeycomb carbon mirror caps. Look, right there. Just to get a better view at them. From Alliance Carbon. Shout out to Alliance Carbon. On IG at Clean Edition. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is how my car looks right now. Cleaned it up. And like I said, the next video that I make will be, also follow those two accounts right there, Fleet Automotive on IG, and follow me on IG, subscribe to me. I just want to say I'm so happy, I'm so grateful that we were able to get this transmission issue fixed. Literally wasn't even carless for a week, so I'm so grateful for Streetworks. Make sure you guys check them out. Everybody that was involved, you know who you are. I'm so happy. I got a lot of stuff coming in the next couple weeks, so I want you guys to stay tuned. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, give me ideas on what I can improve on. And like I said, the next video is gonna be me giving you guys a feedback on the UPT Stage 3 clutch with the 19-pound chromoly flywheel and the Z-Speed C-Mac Delete kit, and also a couple pulls and everything like that, how the transmission is holding up. It's a new transmission, so you know, should be good. But you just never know with car stuff. You just never know. Like the thing that happened to me of it locking me out of gear was really weird. The tech even told me that is just strange for something like that to happen, but you know, it is what it is. I was fortunate enough to get it fixed. Thank you, to everybody that was involved. Like I said, thank you to the man above. And I got a lot of stuff planned. Like I said, please stay tuned. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave a like, comment, and like I said, give me feedback on what you guys think I could improve. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.